VTEC. That was the quietest Benz I ever heard. What's happening? What's happening? We just made it here to Young, Jalisco. Oh, yup. The MVP has pulled up.
Those are loose.
We live, baby. We live. That shit hard, not gonna lie. Slammed. Bead lock in the back. Wide body. Almost looks like this color, Loki. Believe he has a run tonight with a G80 M3 full bolt on. Apparently, who knows? Could be on turbos. You know how it is in the race scene nowadays. Not sure if I'm gonna film the whole confrontation and talking. You know, it's not. I'm not really that kind of channel. I think that shit is boring and a waste of battery. I miss my Z, man. I'm just waiting for the manifold to get sent in, and I'm gonna get a different turbo. Need to get my Z back out, man. It's been too long. Got a few cool cars here. Little booper over there on the black chrome. All right. M340 on a tire. We got the Tron Mobile. M4. This is my Steez right here. It's crazy. I almost had one of these guys. I was like this close to having one. But yeah, it didn't happen. But this is clean, bro. Just tire in the back. Lowered. Nice color. I could dig it. I would just hate having one of these, bro. Just having to deal with like worrying about it getting stolen. I don't want to deal with that shit, bro. You could do kill switches and all that shit, but people still gonna try. I just heard a fat ass blower. Shit sound like a Dyson. Damn.
Take off on me. I mean, at least the only hope I got is fucking catch up, you know? So,
Let's
it's for 45.
fair as fuck. We're not on bullshit, huh?
You said 150, let's flip for 150 or 145.
Yeah, flip for 140, 150, or you put it in the middle.
Nah, I came here for 150, my boy. That's it. I'm good. I'm not flipping for nothing, you know? We're making good power, bro. Why are we trying to hit 140 for? That's NA shit. That's fuck that. That's 150. What? I ain't hooking 40s. Fuck no. Come on, bro. That's X-Drive, bro.
Suspension.
I can make good power. No, let's just do, like I said, let's do 55 to 150. We should.
Fuck it, flip for him in the middle, that's it. If you don't want to do that, then fuck it, we'll go home.
Go home, my boy. Flip it good. I'm going to 150.
There's a lot of other fast cars.
Yeah, there's other cars you guys can race if you want, bro. I mean, I'm racing the 150. I mean, I got a Z, bro. Come on, G80, bro. You can't be scared of 150, bro. This shit.
That Z ain't no slouch.
I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose, bro. I'm here to gamble it. Trust me. That's why I'm even here asking you for the hit. You know, but if you don't want to give it to me, fuck it. Let's just do a head up there. We'll just do, you know, 55, 150. That's it. I don't want to argue about it all night either. You feel me? I can go look for another race too. I see a boost to the 5.0 too. I'm down to race too, you know.
So they over there collecting, figuring out. I believe the race is going to be 60 to 150 or 55 to 150. I think he gets one spin. This whole racing scene nowadays with all these rules and regulations and this and that and mile per hour, that's just not for me, dog. I can't do it. God damn. My boy got the missing heat shield or no? Yusuf looks so nervous. Fuck, I hope he doesn't see it.
Gucci? Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Alright guys, apparently the Z spun, so yeah, probably just gonna be a mean old 3-hour argument right now. Over 10 bucks. No, I'm just kidding, I think the pot was like 1,000. Yeah, this is why I don't roll race, guys. It was like all that for nothing. No way my GoPro wasn't recording. No way. This shit only recorded 16 seconds. Fried. So the argument as of right now is if anyone spins over 80, then they have to pay up.
Just racing, bro. We gave you.
Are you racing or not? You got to win.
Sign the virtual contract.
You want to race that one too? I mean, I'll throw money on that one too. You want to, let's race it right now?
It's not here right now.
Oh my fucking god. Don't got the cars here, bro. So you want to run it or not? Because, hey, if y'all ain't racing, I want to hear him talking. That's it. Hey, my people ain't talking, homie. So I want to hear you talk. You're the driver, dog. So what's up?
Yeah, you went over 80. We can see the video. You went over 80, bro.
You went over 80. I did it. I'm telling you, I'm stuck
you were at 87. You passed
me. I'm asking you this. I'm not going to pay you. Do you want to go line it up and get a fair run or not? Or you're scared of the Z, bro? You got a G80, my boy.
It's just the rules, dude. If you were in my position, you'd be like,
I'm telling you, I didn't. So you don't want to run it back?
Bro, if you pay up, now think about it, yeah.
No, I'm not paying that. So you don't want to run it back?
Run that shit back. Run it back. Read right there on video. You said, if I go over 80, if I go over 80, if I'm spinning, I go over 80, I'll pay. That's what you said.
Well, I'm telling you, I didn't pass over 80, bro. So if you want to race again or not?
It's on camera, though. You passed over 80.
But you want to race again or you're good?
Bro, it's on camera, though.
I'm asking you a question. I'm not paying again or what?
You put it to the rule, bro, and like...
This is why I don't roll race, guys. I be finding random niggas to race on the freeway. No arguments. Just go home, gap your gap.
So you
can send it. You guys can do it.
I don't need to shit. So you want to, hey, you want to line it up again or not? Alright, so I guess we did that, my boy. Fuck it, let's go. You were scared of it. That's crazy. Let's go. Bug it.
Stupid ass roll racing rules. Shit's dumb. This is why I just race people for fun. Shit sounds nice. Too many rules and regulations. So sorry for the dud video. I just wanted to let y'all know what it's like to race in California. I mean Mexico. As we're hopping back into this video, we're here Sunday morning. We got a little meet. I figured I would just throw this in the video. It's gonna be the first day out. Side with the M4 in like a week. We got the new hood on there now. We got the OEM DRLs. Hopefully they work right. The front lip is still cooked. I'm just waiting for the guys to let me know it's PPF'd and ready to put back on. I actually ended up waxing the hood last night. Gave it a quick wax. It looks way better. Not perfect, but it's way better than it looked. I seen all kind of swirls in this shit. So definitely looks a lot better. Yeah, hello. Damn, look who it is. Oh shit, not the Highway Patrol being here. No, we're about to be cooked, brother. We're going to a BMW meet, and this guy brought a VQ. And he has an M4 at home. An individual one. He crazy. He's just trying to gap somebody today. He's just trying to catch me slipping because I ain't got the slicks on. Hey, brother, that's the wrong stuff. This is Jim's 300th F80. That hood fitment is bananas. And the crazy thing is, I can still push the fender in a little more if I want. Like OEM, brother. Okay. What's up? Alright. Yeah, this location is a little interesting, but whatever. Shit looks horrendous. Yeah, this thing was playing with my head. I thought it was an M2. This thing's clean too. C46. F80 seats. ABS's. It's super clean. Corey got him a little run. Sounds good.
Alright, Doc. Gotta go get gas.
Good luck, good luck.
Yeah, good luck.
Look at my... Nice, nice. I like that color. Laguna. Can't go wrong with Laguna. Oh, my boy got the matching hood with the interior. Okay, the one Recaro. Damn, all over Louis. Laguna. Sheesh. The white Buckies. Well, M340, M340, G87, little F80. Okay, my boy got HREs, he rich. Little M2 bumper going on. Don't look suspicious, don't look suspicious. Damn, bro got the GTA bike. Yeah, 2025 Wildberry. Okay, little info. BBS. What do you guys think? You think you got gapped? What happened, brother?
They're the same, bro.
Damn, you got sauced up?
He sauced me, bro. Damn, bro.
Spun?
I spun a little bit, but bro, that 800 torque that nigga had, bro, it's just it is what it is, bro.
It is what it is. Look, you guys did like one run or a couple?
No, we did like 2 or 3.
On the hit, was he jumping out on you?
Exactly.
Yeah, you got a brake boost, G.
So I told him, so he said we can get another one, like, not today, obviously. But
Yeah.
But I said, yeah, I'm gonna brake boost next time.
Yeah, let all the air out them tires and brake boost to the moon, G.
I need the kicks to special, man.
I'll drive it. Where's your tire, sir? Everybody just popping out with 2025s. Bro looks like he's like 18. Got my old Advans that I used to have. It's pretty clean. Chunky setup. I see you, player. I miss these Advans. I love them. Clean. Hey, yo, that manifold piping is crazy. We back. That looks clean. We got Louis back here with his new G80 individual buckets. 2025, he rich. The new headlights though. I hated them at first, but they grew on me. But I just don't think it's worth swapping the lasers out. But they're pretty sick.